GORV stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Lazydays Holdings is 32% down, which is absolutely ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I've done well over 39,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and all that is documented on my YouTube channel. So like, that's more than anyone else in this space. Regarding GORV's performance, like I'm saying, it's ridiculous because I was waiting for a shift. So naive, man. Like, if there was a double break, obviously I would have been buying this, but caught me by surprise. And once we started breaking beneath the low, I was like, okay, I'm abandoning this thing. And today I see it's, bro, it's cooked, you know. So it's obviously not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce, and I will continue and keep you updated. I mean, other than that, I'm really curious if I have GORV here. Something? No, which is fair. But yeah, let me know what is your opinion, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.